Alright, hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change the color of the tab with a circular reveal effect. Okay, here in the GitHub I found this very interesting project of Sean Blake, and this project shows you that the toolbar changes the color, also the status bar changes the color with a circular reveal effect. Okay, as you can see here, when you click the toolbar, it changes the color. Okay, it's just similar to our project, but the difference is we added a tab, and that tab also changes the color. So we will borrow some codes of Sean Blake. Okay, so let's go to Android Studio. In the activity main, I managed to create a layout. This will show you the two views that these two views will show the colors. Okay, and this app bar layout, it should be transparent because these two views will provide us the colors. And inside the app bar layout, I added a toolbar, and below the toolbar there's a tab layout. Okay, and with a 3 tab item. Be sure you added this tab mode because it will not work if you forget to add this line. Okay, and set the indicator color to white and the selected text color to white. Okay, and I have a view pager here to show the fragments, and this one, the app bar layout, I added a padding tab 24 dp because because we added this window content overlay. Okay, let's assume this is the status bar, this line, if you can see it. Okay, I'll zoom it for you, but the Android Studio doesn't want me to zoom it. Okay, what's wrong with you? Never mind. Okay, we added this padding tab 24 dp because the size of the status bar is 24 dp. Okay, so we will add a space for our app bar layout. Okay, in the colors.xml, before I go here, be sure to add a color for the two views. This color will be the first tab. Okay, because that is the default tab. And here I declare a colors. This is the color for our tabs, and we have a color tab 1, color tab 2, color tab 3, and here and we go to the styles.xml. Add these two lines, translucent status to true and the window content overlay to at null. Okay, and the Android manifest, add this style, copy this style to the theme of the activity. Okay, and okay, let's see, and here in the main activity, find all the view of the layout. Okay, initialize it inside the onCreate and set up the tabs for our project. Okay, I created a view pager adapter here. Just copy it. And then I'll set up the view pager. I pass this view pager to the tab layout, and this line is this is the very important line, because we will change the color when we change the tab. Okay, when we selected the tab. Here, as you can see, it is red because I didn't add the method, and this method is from Sean Blake. Okay, and I added some title to our tabs. Okay, I think that's it. Just copy it. Our main focus here is to change the color of the tabs. So let's start to code it. Okay. Wait, let's just copy the code of Sean Blake. I'll add this link to the description box below, so don't worry. Let's copy it, like I said, in a professional way. Delete this method, and we need to remove this. Okay, I know it's red. Add a global variable in from color. Okay. And here in the onCreate, pass the color of the first tab in the from color. Okay. Okay. In this one, let's change it to upper layout. Okay, copy it, paste it, and then the very bottom of the method, pass the toColor to from color. Why is it up bar layout? Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope there's no error, so let's run it. Okay, our app is ready. Let's try it. Okay, Works perfectly. Very nice. Haha. And you slide it. Okay, changes the color. That's it. Hope you guys like it. If it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. Have a productive day.